Welcome, student. We already discussed in previous lecture module number 8A about concept of recruitment and process of recruitment and scope of recruitment. In this lecture, we'll discuss sources of recruitment, and this is plan. This one is plan. So in previous lecture we have discussed already and reviewed about previous lecture, and this lecture will discuss external sources of recruitment, its example, internal sources of recruitment, its example, and then we'll discuss some general discussion if will come in our mind, in my mind, according to the discussion. And this is one based one. So sources of recruitment, that is internal sources and external sources. Internal sources, it means recruitment from inside the organization, and external sources, it means recruitment from outside the organization. So first one is sources of recruitment, internal sources, and this is first one, transfer of employee from one place to another place in same organization, only branch changing of the branch of the employee, it is transfer. So it is going on in the organization, like in government organization, transfer of employee from transfer of teacher from one place to other place, or in government organization it is going on. For example, central railway is there, then central railway is there, then many education institute is there, then banks are there. Okay, so they are applying this same process. So employee is working in same organization, only location change, it is transfer. So it is first one. Then promotion of employee from lower position to higher position. Promotion is always lower to higher, not down. Promotion is always lower position to higher position. So the employee can enjoy the prospect of his career, and he can enjoy the growth of his career with increment also, and with better position also, and with respect also. So promotion is one method of internal recruitment. So vacancy fulfillment with the help of promotion also. Then internal advertisement, only internal. Okay. So person can enjoy who already working in your organization, you in any organization can enjoy for different post. For example, one person is working as a peon, and if vacancy is for driver, then that peon can apply for driver vacancy. Or one person is acting as a computer operator, and job is there for software design, and if computer operator know well about software design, then that computer operator can apply for software design job. Same organization, only position change from computer operator to software designer. Or any person who is working as a trainer in the organization. If trainer want to become good data analytics, if trainer have a basic interest in data analytics and position is vacant in your organization due to retirement or due to resignation, then the same person can apply for next job. Then again that position will vacant. Then other same person, any person can apply for that vacant position. So vacancy fulfillment internally with the help of internal advertisement. It is internal advertisement. So internal type of recruitment is there. Land services. If your employee is working as a peon and he know well about computer, then he can work also for computer, but actual work is peon. And if he is ready for handling computer, then it is a extra benefit employee can get, and it is a extra benefit organization can enjoy. With the same employee, organization can do two work. So employee can demand some extra salaries also, and organization enjoy by giving extra salaries also, because same person can handle it, means it is not demanding extra salary for two person. Okay, so on the base of costing, organization can save costing in land services. So services by self-employed in different work than responsibilities. For example, one person is working as a HR executive, and he or she is very good in design. Then that same person can work for design also. So organization can pay the same employee for design. Okay, so organization will not hire any special designer for only short work. Okay, so if work is less, then organization can get same work from other. So it is land services. Then it is also internal source of recruitment. Then extension of services. If any employee is getting retired and organization is planning to extend that employee services. So planning to extend employee services, it is extension. It means retire age is 58 and company is giving extension of 2 years, 60. It is depend on company about the decision of payment after retirement. It is depend on company. Company can continue with the same payment, or company can continue with reducing payment due to retirement also. So it is depend on the company about payment. But extension of services of retired employee, it is extension of services. Then it is also internal source. Then external source of recruitment. Selection of the employee from outside the organization. from educational institute, you can hire the employee, or other method are there. We'll discuss in with other method. Advertisement in paper or TV or on internet or on YouTube or on Facebook or any other social media. Advertisement about the vacancy that we are hiring. We have a vacancy. So it is one source. External advertisement we can say. Internal advertisement is there and external advertisement is this one. Okay. So organization is hiring employees with the help of advertisement. Then casual caller. Person can call HR department for job. Through that casual caller, organization is selecting candidate. List of casual caller, through list of casual caller, organization is selecting the job seeker. It is casual caller. Then employment exchange. It is something exchange of employee. Exchange of employee. So one organization is X organization and one organization is Y organization. Y organization need yes employee, who is X organization have yes employee and Y organization have T employee. But X organization required T employee and Y organization required yes employee. Then exchange of employee like this. Okay, so T will work for X organization and S will work for Y organization. That is employment exchange. It is external source. Then recruitment from educational institute. It is major one. It is major one. Educational institute. Most of the companies are getting employee from educational institute. Engineering college, management college, ITI college, or any other profession which is required to the organization. So organization getting candidate from educational institute through push campus, pull campus, or any other method. It is internal source. Then labor union. Labor leader can recommend best employee. Okay. So through that labor leader or through labor union, you can select new employee for your organization. Labor leader having its own role in the organization, having its we can say dominating role also in organization. So most of the organization following labor leader and most of the organization not following. So recruitment through labor union, it is one external source of recruitment. Then recommendation of employee, it is a one best one, because if a employee is already working in your organization and a employee is referring B, the B may be friend of A or relative of A or any relation is there, but A is referring B. It means A is taking responsibility of B about their work, about their performance, about their behavior, about their all points, all behavioral points. So it is recommendation. Recommendation of employee is best because you can or organization can communicate performance of B to A. If performance is less or performance is not satisfactory, then and then A can motivate B for better work. Okay. So relation develop in A and B. A is old employee, B is new employee, but relation develop ड्यू टू दिस रिकमेंडेशन. बी को लगता है कि मुझे जॉब दिया है ए ने, तो वो ए का सुनेगा, और ए को लगता है कि मैंने बी को रेफर किया है, मतलब बी को समझाना है क्योंकि रेफर किया है. ओके, तो ये रेफर करने के बाद है, इसको रेफरल भी बोलते हैं. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड रेफरल मेथड. देन वेटिंग लिस्ट. Organization have waiting list through already recruitment process. Waiting list is there. For example, organization required only two candidate, and there is a tie amongst 5 candidate. Then 5 candidate are authorized to get a job. Then organization again filter out only 2 candidate out of that 5, but 3 are remaining. So out of that 5 candidate, you already selected is how much? 2, and then 3 is remaining, and 3 is remaining. So selecting that remaining candidate for the vacancy position. It is called waiting list, and this is also external source of recruitment. So student, we have discussed in this lecture about internal sources of recruitment and external sources of recruitment. So these are the all points we have covered in this module. And if you like this lecture, then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. And you can comment me in comment section. You can question me in comment section. So I will do my best for your question answer. So student, with this we stop here, and thank you very, very much for your kind attention. And I will upload next module as early as possible. So please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest module. So you can get module in your mobile or in your user ID. So thank you very much.